Hello parents, this is Chris Allen and I wanted to give you an update for the week of March 1st. In geometry, we are looking at special right triangles and trigonometry. So here we have what's called a 45-45-90 right triangle, and we were asked to find the lengths of segment A and B. And it turns out that since this is a 45-45-90, it has to be an isosceles right triangle, which means that both legs are the same length, and therefore B is 2 radical 2. To find the hypotenuse, we are just going to use our rule for 45-45-90s and multiply the leg by square root of 2. And so we get the length of A is 4. In Calc AB, we are looking at exponential growth and decay. So here would be a potential problem. A radioactive material has a half-life of 24,100 years. If there are 2.1 grams of the material remaining after 1,000 years of decomposition or decay, then how much material was there originally? So to solve this problem, what we need to do is solve the following differential equation, which is the derivative of the amount is equal to k times the amount. This is the directly proportional equation of a differential equation. And so then that needs to be solved, and that gives us the following general solution, which should look familiar to the students. So the amount A is equal to the constant C e to the proportionality constant k times t, where t represents time, in this case years. And so in this particular problem, you would first find the value of k, and then you could figure out what C is, which turns out to be 1.62 grams approximately. In Calc BC, we are looking at infinite series, and in this particular section 8.9, we are trying to create a power series representation for functions. So if I have this function 5 over 2x minus 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to massage this equation or this fraction into the fraction negative 5/9 divided by 1 minus 2/9 times the quantity x plus 3. We can see that that is in the form of a over 1 minus r, which is the general summation formula for a geometric series. So now we can use that information to write the following power series for the function 5 over 2x minus 3. Notice that this is an infinite series, so we need to be concerned with its interval of convergence, which in this case turns out to be negative 15 over 2 to 3 over 2. In other words, this power series will be convergent as long as the x value that you choose is between those two values. Final thoughts for this week. Number 1, again, I would like to remind you that the end of the third 9 weeks is Friday, March 2nd. Number 2, spring break will begin on Friday, March 19th. So after that, so technically I guess the 20th then is going to be the first day of spring break. Also, please continue to be checking Canvas. As a parent, you can monitor that, and Skyward to check on students' grades. And finally, thank you for your support. Have a great day.